Hi James, hope you're doing well, mate. This is how I set it up. This is how I set up my pop-up. Let me show you now. Alright, so if you click on templates just under Elementor, you click on pop-ups. Okay, so add new, and then obviously you just call it whatever you want to call it. I'll show you how I did mine. So I'll just call this John 1. So that's the name of this new template. And you create your template. And what you want to do is just select any one of these. There's loads of good ones to choose from. But for now I'm going to click on insert here. Okay, so right, we scroll down to the bottom here. Just right click edit form. So what you want to do is click in add action. Scroll down to get response. And then click on get response. And then obviously then you can basically choose the campaign that you set up within get response. So my one's called John_Lunnon. One second, and then just publish. Yeah, I do believe that is it. I haven't gone through any of these settings yet, so this is all brand new to me, so I'm still learning. So let's wait for that to publish. Cool. Right, okay, now we've done that, basically come out of this page. So as you can see, that's been saved to the back end of the website. So we're going to my pages. I'll go to my home page. Wait for that to load. And this is the one I put on there not so long ago, when I've just been testing it. So to put a brand new one on there, so I'll do it a little bit slow. You click on this bit here, mate, add template, go to my templates, and then John 1 is in there. So click insert. And that's basically your pop-up in there. But what you want to do is, like I've done, is I've added animation on mine. So motion effects, entrance animation, and I've basically done it so it fading up. And then you can obviously place this anywhere on your website. So as people are scrolling down or up, then it fades up, and then there's your pop-up, mate. I'm obviously trying to figure out other settings of how I can get things to work around it, but yeah, this is as far as I'm at with it, so I hope this helps you, buddy. Anyway, I'll speak to you soon, mate.